welcome to the Minecraft family channel. Today I have another unboxing, and as you can see, this box looks perfect. So I think this painting is going to look as when it was packaged, so I'm a bit excited with this one and just seeing how well this fared. I'm not sure which one it is, but I bought 2 more of AliExpress. So let's try and see which one it is. Yeah, totally nice packaged and a really sturdy, good box, which has gone through perfect. And look at that. Oh, that's when AliExpress is really good. So here is the package. Oh, it's this one. Perfect. And it's a square one. Yay! But look at this one. Perfect. It's perfect packaged. Not even the back of it is crinkled. So I unboxed one where it's the same picture, but the other one that I have is where she has birds in her hair. This one she has flowers instead of. So I found this one and found it really super cute and bought it. So a lot of brown and oranges and red drills in it. But should we just take a look at the painting? I'm not even sure that I want to take it off. So nice. It's so nice, this one. So let's just see. I'm just trying to see if I can get it up. Here it is. I think. Perhaps. No, not here. So it's here. So they put a tape on it, as you can see. And I'm just getting it off. And let's see. Again, I'm just holding it. This one is let's see. This one is a 30 times 40, I think. No, it's a 40 times 50, and I got it off Sofie Store, official store, and it cost me $21. And I paid, I think, $1 in shipping. So let's just see if I can just get it back and have it lay. So I really found her to be quite cute, yeah, and even her lips are going to look amazing. So they are. Oh no! Why do you always have to do that? When you don't want to do it, it always happens. No. So let's just peel back. It's a really nice canvas, this one. And I'm peeling back as far as I dare so you can see her. So here she is. It's going to look so cute, I think. There's a lot of, I think it's black, which is in the middle of them, and then you have a rose and so on, and the yellow flower, and her eyes and her lips. I think it's going to be so cute. So yeah, just going to place this down again. A perfect canvas, no creases, no issues with it at all. It's really nicely packed. That it is such a thick package means such a lot to it. And I can see I just forgot to take out the tray. It's the same. It's a normal one. There's no multi-placer with it, but it's okay. Couple of bags and so on. What you can expect. Just going to lay this part flat as well, so it's completely flat. So this is how they're supposed to look when they come. So I'm really impressed. I know there's a lot of people having great success with this store, so also definitely one I would recommend. But let's just have a look at the drills and go through them, and let's make sure that they're all here. Just to be quite sure. A lot of drills. Let's see. So, and it's in English, all of it. So it's a symbol, color, bag, and quantity. So that's perfect. I just want to take a pen. So if you don't want to see this, just skip and go to the end, and I will just tell you whether all of it is here. But I just want to make sure. This one that hasn't been counted, that's the 3/10. 31 bags of 3/10. So this is probably right. It says there needs to be 6,000 in it. And yeah, probably. Difficult to say. But yeah, I think if you just take it into account, I think. Yeah, so let's just say that's okay. And then this is the 2, 4, 6, 8, 11 bags of those. That's here. And then this color, this light brown color, 4 bags of those. This one. So, and then we've got a brown colors as well. 3, 6, 9, 13 of the 9, 34. That's okay. And then I've got 74. That's okay. 522. Oh, a really nice green color. And then light pink as well. A light, yeah. One of those. There's a lot of them where it's just one color of it. And then we've got the 666, 2 bags, and the bag seems really clear and easy to read. The drills also in it seems to be of a really nice quality, so I don't think it's going to be an issue to drill this one. So 33, 63, 1 bag. 28. It's not the biggest picture that I've got, so but it's always, I have a lot of colors now, and probably do have most of all these, but it's also really good just to go them through to be sure that you have all, because if you don't have the colors, it's pretty annoying just to stand there and not be able to finish up your work. So I always check them, even though I probably do have them in storage, but because what if you're missing like 6 bags of them? So 3, 6, 10, 15 of the 26, 12. So, and it doesn't take that long just to check them through. 3 bags each here. I couldn't quite read this one, and this is 25. All those. The 938. 6 of those. 434. 3 of those. 738. Oh. Yeah. And 355. One of those. 38.53. One of those. 370. So today I had my first week has been done at work this week on my new job, and that's really, really nice. There are really lots of nice sweet people, and they've been so nice to me, and sending me before I even started, I had a bouquet of flowers sent to me. So it's just been a really pleasant experience. So I'm really looking forward to the next chapter in my work life. Mary's home today, sick with a sore throat. So I think this weekend is just going to be very quiet and relaxed. So probably have time to do some diamond painting and just relaxing. Yeah, and another thing, finally, after I've the Danish customs stopped my paintings that I bought from the Diamond Art Club, or my husband bought from the Diamond Art Club, and they have withheld it for, it's now I think over a week. So finally I got the bill today, because you have to declare it and pay. I think I paid, was it around $37 to have it released out of customs. So what what we saved on the buy one get one for free, we paid in custom, but still it was a really good deal for us, because otherwise we had still got two paintings of and one free, because I would have been forced to pay customs anyway. So for me it was really good, nice deal. So I'm really looking forward to getting it. So and see what all the hype is about. So I'm looking forward. It should arrive, I think, within the next couple of days. So that's nice. So yeah, 611, that's fine. And then 647. 647, and 620. So I think I am missing one color. I think I don't have the 625. Let's just check and see if that's correct. So that's the 640. Let's see, I'm missing this color and I'm missing this color, I think. So that's two colors that I'm missing. Let's just try and check this and this. Oh, and this was the one of them. It's probably me just doing things wrong. And then I need the 725. It's here. So I'm not missing any colors. It's just me babbling along and not paying attention. So everything is here. Perfect. I'm really looking forward to doing this one. It looks so cute. And definitely one which is going to hang together with all my girls when I get them finished and done. So yeah, but thanks for watching. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and yeah, here's Friday, it's weekend, what's not to like. have fun, and remember to have fun when you diamond paint. And relax, and see you in my next video. Bye for now.